Ever wonder why you yawn when others do? Why just seeing someone yawn makes you do it too? It's called contagious yawning, and it's not just coincidence, it's built into your brain. Meet mirror neurons. They mimic what others do, helping us understand their feelings and actions. Even animals do it. Scientists believe it's tied to empathy and group bonding. So when your friend yawns and you follow, it's your brain saying, I get you. Yawning is social, automatic, and kind of sweet, right? So, are you yawning yet? Subscribe for more Ever Wonder.